Zacky Pound, man. Zacky Pound. So then call a little short man. In thief, me say, Zacky Pound not do nothing. Besides, go down and Mr. Brown place before day. And when rain fall and the coat not them drop. When rain fall, you know, the stem them wet. And when the breeze blow down then drop. Good. Zacky Pound. Go down and Mr. Brown place before they light out. And go pick up Mr. Brown and Master me coat nothing now. No, him never know. So the man them have land a plow. And I go come early before the sun come up. Because when the sun come up, them go at them hot and go cool out. Right? So them do no work in the early morning there.